okay
I
with
go
that?
clean the table. Anybody will leave water.
No, I'm saying, are you okay?
I'm okay as long as you leave your water bottle. I say there go be. People that go, people that get camera now. If people that see say he has scatter aquafina water everywhere, you go check camera and see who leave her for there.
It has never happened before.
Anybody will leave her for there.
It has never happened.
People that now go curse you by yourself.
It has never happened. It has never happened before that Big Brother will check camera.
It's enough now. I don't need noise.
I don't need noise.
Go. Oh my f***ing God.
No be my follow talk.
Oh my God. You guys are shouting. Carry this somewhere else. I'm cleaning the place. I'm already cleaning the place. I left. I came back. You are still doing it. Get the out of the kitchen if you don't want to clean. Get the out of the kitchen. Okay, die here then. Die here then. You guys are shouting. Flora, I told you I will clean it. I told you I will clean it. You do. I told you I will clean it. What are you saying that we guys are?
What do you mean?
I told you I will clean it. I'm just saying it because
this man the place so you find for your give you grace.
I don't care.
That's why you mad. I don't give a mad. I don't give a
wrong with you.
I don't talk to them of us for years.
You guys are shouting. I left you guys alone.
You guys are shouting. Now you go tell me when I go shout and when I don't go shout. Now you be big brother and sister for this house. They are making all this American don't get anybody. See this one no. No call you gonna give me anything. I go change up for you big time.
Relax.
But you go here pay o.
Is this all okay? Are you okay?
You are not okay.
Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
Sick.
You are dumb. Oh my God! You are dumb. I've never met stupid people like the people I've met in this house. You guys are dumb.
She was not saying.
Suck a dick, bro.
You know what to clean. Get the out of the kitchen. Stop making noise. And I was not.
Please do.
I was
get the out.
Why will you tell me to get the out of this place? Get
the actual out of here. Bro, get the actual out of here. You are dumb. You are dumb. Oh my God, you are dumb. You are dumb. Why don't you stay? Why you leave it? Stay. You are a mumu. Stay. You are a mumu. You are a mumu. Stay. Stay now. Oh no shit.
See this idiot.
You are a mumu. What a stupid idiot.
You are stupid. You this idiot.
She said that she is single and not talking to anyone and she's still open. Almost all Naija girls are like that. You know, they are single, they are not talking to anyone and they are open. Other guys, when I don't get talent, I know they understand. Now only girls, they enter Big Brother house. Where we are where? We also had Sultana, you know, back then that came in and did a lot of things. But waiting when I think, you think Adamawa State indigene can win Big Brother Naija? But that Bluetopia, or Tapia, encyclopedia, you get the vibe. Of course, you know, BBNaija is like almost the most popular. Yeah. I think it's the most popular show in Africa right now. Like, it's the biggest platform for young creatives and young artists, young, you know, influencers, youth, and talent in Africa. And it's been a big platform for a lot of talent in the Nollywood industry, in the music industry, in modeling, fashion, and stuff like that. So this time around, it's on, and we're going to talk about one of the housemates. I want you to stay tuned. It's going to be fun, and I don't know whatever you think about that. Let me hear your thought, you know what I'm saying? Let's kick on. Yeah, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to YolyBoy TV, and today we're talking about the Big Brother house, talking about BBNaija is back, and I'm going to be focusing on one of our baby. Adamawa got this represented today again. And it's most like every year, we have somebody from Adamawa State. This year again, we have Osaku Bente talking about Karen, and you already know Bluetopia in the building. So people, I'm going to talk about this. Like, we don't tire every year. Adamawa State is having a housemate in the house, and I don't know, for some reason the North is just not being too much and properly represented in the BB house. Naija, is it that they lack the swag, or they lack the star power, or what is it they don't like now? May we not allow us just touch and small. Okay, we'll be talking about Karen today. So what you think, man? But first of all, let's watch this video about Karen. She spoke about herself, and hey, check out. Okay, when I don't hear him, right? All right, Karen in this video just gave us a brief about herself. And hey, what you think? Yeah, Adamawa State, this is not the first time we hear Adamawa State in the building. So, do you think Adamawa State can this time around maybe win? I don't know. We also had Sultana, back then that came in and did a lot of things. This time around, Adamawa State, talent is on board, and now she said she is Fulani Cuba. Yeah, that's I'm also Cuba, that kind of stuff, right? But okay, let's go straight to the video. It doesn't matter whether she's Cuba or what. So Fulani Cuba, raised in Kaduna State, right? Yeah. So the problem you see, it's not about getting into the house. It's about, this is not the first time that we have a northern route, we have Adamawa State. But waiting when I think, you think Adamawa State indigent can win Big Brother Naija? Like this time around that she's here with another fire saying she's authentic, she's smart. You can watch the video. In the video she said it. Okay, now we want to even base our discussion on her personality. Looking at her, like, yeah, she's beautiful, I think so, yeah. She looks cool and she got the vibe, she got the swag. What you think though? That's my own vibe. But I think when we look at the Big Brother house, it takes more than just, having a fine face and stuff like that to win, right? But okay, she said that she is single and not talking to anyone and she's still open. Almost all Naija girls are like that. They are single, they are not talking to anyone and they are open. Do you think she's just trying to be on the safer side? Maybe she just wants to be on the safer side. Actually, from her own side, I just think she's just freestyling that so that in the house she can, experiment some things. But this Big Brother house, the guy is fine. The guy is fine. And Karen is just saying, you will talk. I believe Nigerian guys are always ready to talk. All right, what do you think about what she said then? And she said she don't like her legs. Like, seriously? I never met her. I don't know. But looking at her legs in videos, maybe that's why she loves wearing long gowns and long clothes. And she mostly snap her pictures up, halfway up. You know what I'm saying? She don't want to show the legs. What's there that she don't like? Is she having K-leg, V-leg, all this kind of stuff? People are going to talk, but to me, I feel like Karen should not have even said this because it's going to even be a shot fire at her. Like, people are going to be like, okay, what's wrong with the legs? And she's already giving the haters like starting point to even start insulting her and talk. But anyway, what you think about her legs? Do you love her legs? Based on what she said, go find it out. I'll show you her legs in this video. Maybe if you have something to say, you can say that. But to me, I feel like she shouldn't have said that. Like, maybe when they move on, like, okay, look down again to what we have her said. That she want to make a name for herself. Of course, everybody in Big Brother house want to make a name for themselves. I know everybody that goes there wants to make that name. But she said she's smart, she's authentic and stuff like that. All right, we wish to see that in the season, like this one, the shit, show yourself, right? I think, yeah, that's what this episode, this season of the Big Brother Naija house is all about.